These are the LIVEDROPS 24/7. Nice, visually appealing packaging. Love it. First impressions. The Sleep Good blend comes in this high-end tiny bottle. Big spa night energy. What is this? This is a nighttime aromatherapy oil made simple. Calming floral scents. Nothing here but a bunch of soothing, spa-like, end-of-day routines. What this is for, it's going to help you wind down. It's going to help you set a bedtime mood. And it's going to make your bedroom feel calm and relaxing. Think soothing. Think spa-like. Think end-of-the-day routine. How you use it. You can put a couple drops on your wrist, on your temples. You can add a few drops to your bedroom diffuser. This is skin safe. It's diffuser friendly. So you could use it whatever way you feel is the easiest. You could put it in your bath. You could put it on your skin. You could put it on your wrist. You could do whatever you want with it. The scent is a mix of lavender, rose, warm vanilla, soft and cozy. It isn't harsh. It isn't sharp. The texture is lightweight oil. It absorbs so quickly. Just leaves a beautiful, beautiful scent behind. Once you add a few drops to your diffuser or on your bed sheets or on your skin, this instantly changes the vibe of the room, and it smells so expensive without being heavy and overbearing. Final verdict. If you want a simple nighttime oil that helps you unwind and makes your space feel peaceful, this one gets it done. The review is sponsored, but the thoughts are all my own.